look at this bad boy. That just looks so fierce. Woo! What's up, party people? And look what has arrived. Help has arrived. That's right. A gift from Google. Big shout out to Google for sending this out. Part of Team Pixel. And they sent this out. This is the new. Let's open it up. Are you ready? Drum roll, please. The Google Hyperspeed Helper. That's right. So, ooh, look what we got in the box. We have the brand new Pixel 5 5G. That's right. In that beautiful sage color. So we're going to check that out. We also got some Pixel Buds, which is a nice surprise from Google. Big shout out to them. And then we have a case for the Pixel 5 5G. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Pixel 5 and take a look at it. Let's do this. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Google does a great job of packing their phones because you don't need a switchblade to open these up. So we're gonna go ahead and take those tabs out. Now this has the Snapdragon 765G, 6-inch display, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. The battery is 4080 milliamp, and look at this bad boy. That just looks so fierce. Woo, man, thank you, thank you, thank you. That is a good looking phone right there. All right, you have that new dual camera on the back with the 12 megapixel shooter and also the 16 megapixel ultra wide, which people are gonna love there on the back. Fingerprint display reader there. I like that a lot better than the in-display. Although the in-displays are getting a lot better, so I have no qualms about that. So let's take a look of see what's inside the box. We'll put the Pixel 5 to the side. They usually have some of this Google paperwork here. So you get the SIM eject tool there. Some other paperwork here if you want to take a look at that when you get it. You got the Type-C there, or Type-A to Type-C type deal. You got your 18-watt charger here from Google, which should charge it pretty fast. And then you got your OTG. That's right, so that you can transfer over your data. So no headphones in the box, but they did send the Pixel Buds, which is awesome. You're not going to get the Pixel Buds when you buy this from Google, so you have to buy those separately. This is just a gift from Google, so let's go ahead and take a look at the star of the show, the Pixel 5. Now this thing is looking pretty sweet. So let's go ahead and do the old overrated plastic sounding of an unboxing for a smartphone. Come on, man. People get into that too much. I'm like, now I like the material on this. This is a recycled aluminum, so real nice. It also is wireless charging. There's some kind of technology in here where they can wireless charge your phone, so that is really good. IP68 certified, so you're gonna be okay. Stereo speakers on deck for this bad boy. Look at the volume. The on and off button is that silver there, and then the volume button is the same color as the phone, which is the sage. You have your stereo speakers there on the bottom. You got a microphone on top. No headphone jack. You'll get that on the Pixel 4a 5G, but not on the Pixel 5. So we're gonna go ahead and fire this bad boy up. Now the Pixel 5 is priced at $699. So you can pick up the Pixel 4a for $349. This is $699. The Pixel 4a 5G is $499. So you have some decisions when it comes to Google, but this is a nice size for a phone, very compact, very little bezel here on the display. You know, you got your beautiful Gorilla Glass 6 on here, 1080p display, but you get the 90 hertz refresh rate on here, which is phenomenal. Android 11 out the box, so you're not gonna have any issues when it comes to using this phone at all, but I'm really interested in the ultra wide angle on this. Also on the front facing camera, you have a 8 megapixel front facing shooter on here. So you got really nice phone at a reasonable price. So this is really, really groovy. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this. I can't get into much more of it. I'll have a more in-depth video on this phone. If you have any questions or you want to leave a comment down below, please do so. Now, this is scheduled for release soon, so make sure you get your pre-orders in from Google or wherever you can pick this up, Amazon, wherever you're watching this video. But I'm really digging this color. It is really slick looking, really good looking phone here. Now let's do a little comparison to I have the 4A here, so we could do a little bit of a comparison here. And as you can see, they're almost identical size. It's just the 5 is just a little bigger when it comes to the display and the actual footprint of the phone, but very similar in size. Now I have a skin on mine. This is not the color of the Pixel 4a, but this is the color of this one. This is a sage. I really like this recycled aluminum. Nice feel on it. No fingerprint. So MKBHD, you don't have to worry about it calling it a fingerprint magnet. You're not gonna have any fingerprints on this, but nice looking phone, man. Leave a comment down below. Like I said, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Android Stud. I'll have much more on the Pixel 5G, and this is the Sage. Nice looking phone. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks, party people.